What's up, guys? We're back with another K2 cooler extreme test. Today we're at H&S Construction, one of our big sponsors, and we're going to put the K2 Summit 50 up against your average cooler. They're both the same size. We're going to see which one can handle the weight of this skid steer. It's going to be interesting. The K2 cooler is an extremely strong cooler compared to your average cooler. You can jump on it, you can throw it around, and we've never broke one. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens.
So your average cooler, it doesn't look like it caved in or anything yet. The top busted in, it looks like a couple cracks.
So far so good with the average cooler. We'll see what happens with the K2 cooler, if it even folds in or anything like that did. Alright, now we got the K2 cooler down there, Summit 50 model. So far, it looks like both coolers survived a slow lift with all the weight on the front end of the skid steer. A couple scratches. Nothing that K2 cooler can't handle.
Same as the last test, couple new scratches. Nothing the K2 cooler can't handle. We ain't got no cracks, that's a big thing. This cooler is still going to function and do exactly what you need it to do.
This could be interesting. Average cooler up on its end. When it's sitting flat, you have all the strength of the whole cooler. Now it's up on its end where it's split in two, so I don't know if it's going to survive. There went the lid. Average cooler's down.
Go, let's go.
You can see just by looking in the walls here what the difference is between a K2 cooler and your average cooler. You're getting just a little bit of foam. K2 cooler's got twice as much foam. I don't think we'll be taking this to the lake anymore.
K2 cooler on its end test. We're up in the air, leaning back. The K2 cooler is on its up and down vertical. There should be minimal strength right here. That's exactly where you have the cooler split between the lid and the bottom. And from what I can tell, sitting back in here, I don't see any issues with the K2 cooler. We can't go back any further, I'm going to tip over, so. I'm pretty sure the K2 cooler passed this test. That's the Summit 50 model. I don't even see a new scratch. I don't see any cracks. I think we're going to move on to some more tests. This is pretty much what we think of the average cooler. This is where it belongs.